Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this Middle Eastern garlic sauce. It's amazing with different dishes and mainly chicken. On medium heat, add the cold water and the corn flour and whisk away. Make sure it's cold water to begin with, otherwise you'll get lumps. As you can see, the mixture has turned thick, and this is when we take it off heat. Add it into a food processor. Garlic in, lemon juice in, mayonnaise and some of the oil, pinch of salt and blitz. Add the remaining oil, then blitz. Blitz is done, into the fridge so it's cold. When you need to use it, just blitz it one more time to soften. Enjoy!